Here's the 1973 Chevy Corvette in Corvette Medium blue. Great metallic color, looks just really pops in the sunshine. Rallye wheels, radial tires of course, and really a good looking car. Original steering wheel, bucket seats, nice correct. Factory 4-speed car, factory air car, although the air isn't cold. Gauges, all the gauges work. Fun car to drive. And let's continue our little walk around here. This car is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. All right, well, let's start her up and watch the gauges. The red light is the brake light for the emergency brake, which goes off when you take the e-brake off. There's the tach. Gas gauge is working. Oil pressure comes up nicely. Car runs nice and cool. And it charges too. Nice look at the right side of the 73 Corvette. That's a good looking car. Pop-up headlights. Just really good. Here are the wipers. Both of them. Park, good. Here's a 73 Corvette with the hardtop installed, so it has both hardtop and soft top. Hardtop's in nice condition. Black vinyl, good shape. And it's in good shape inside too. The headliner's good. Look at that, yeah, nice. last little walk around on the 73 Corvette. Good looking car, fun to drive, lots of options on it, and it makes somebody a great weekend driver.